Here is our arm segment 3 part, our third and final arm segment of our mechanical arm. This one connects to the arm segment 2 through a friction hinge, the same way the other arm segments will be connected on one end, and then on the other end it connects to our tripod ball joint mount. Again, the first 4 features of this arm segment are exactly the same as the previous one, and were copied from the first one, with the only difference from the first one being that the cut extrude goes equally 12.5 millimeters from both faces. And then after that, we included the regular 10 millimeter fillet and 5 millimeter fillet that are on the circular edge of the cylinder and the edge between the boss extrude rectangle and the cylinder face, respectively. The first unique feature of this part is this boss extrude. This boss extrude comes concentric to the face of the cylinder, centered at the exact, it's concentric to this piece with a 25 millimeter diameter. The reason for this is simply that the base of the tripod ball mount joint, which is circular and connects to here, fits on this 25 millimeter face. And it is 20 millimeters extruded so that we can comfortably set in our 8 millimeter deep heat insert and have some extra room to provide support for this extruded piece through fillets. We then put our normal 8 millimeter deep, 8.75 millimeter diameter cut extrude concentric to the center of all of these circles, the same way we have previously with every single one of our M6 heat inserts. And then lastly, we add the fillets. We have 2 unique fillets here, one being a 15 millimeter fillet between the edge of where this extruded 25 millimeter diameter cylinder meets the face of our main cylinder to give it support and make it more visually appealing. And then a 10 millimeter fillet at the edge of the cylinder, the same way we have it on the edge of the cylinder of every part of the arm segments to again give it round edges and make it more visually appealing. And lastly, we put a 5 millimeter fillet on the internal cut just to put more support there on the hollowing out and making the edges, the external edges being filleted, so then the internal edges are also filleted. Making sure that the 7.5 millimeter wall thickness is consistent throughout. Thank you.